How you doing, guys? Welcome to Fisker Outdoor Adventures. We're going out on the Sound today. We're going to do some saltwater fishing. There's bunker pods all over the place. I was out here a few days ago, and we were having a blast snagging bunker. We caught some porgies on the bottom. We're hoping to catch some bunker and live line them and maybe get into some bluefish and striped bass. But either way, we're going to have a blast out on the water. I'm here with Paulie from Get Real Bass Fishing and our friend Richie, who's home from the service, ready to go out again tomorrow. And we're going to have a blast. So we'll see you out on the water, guys.
Stay real.
There we go. There we go.
Hello.
Nice.
Dude, that's freaking huge, bro.
Hefty, hefty, hefty.
So we just stopped at this one point here.
Cool.
And I smacked into a really nice porgy. He just hooked into that porgy. That's a big fish, man. What was it, like 12 and a half? 13?
Let's do it.
That's insane. This is fun, man. Just down rigging.
Bye-bye.
That was very cool, dude. Felt like a tank.
He's coming back up, and he's dead. And he's down, and he's off.
That's so cool.
There we go. Not a tank, but a fish is a fish. Stop it. There we go. Not a giant, that's for sure. Look, it's another porgy. This porgy's here too.
Looks like there's porgy here.
Oh yeah. He's like, get it out, get it out, get it out. Bye-bye.
12:30, Art.
You got a fish on, Paulie.
Of course I do. The water, you have a fish ball. I know. Okay. I'm not talking to you. Sorry. I'm on Brian's boat. Are you man of Brian's boat? Okay. Alright, bye. Nobody ever calls me this. Rock bass. Double. Ooh. Double header rock bass.
Sea bass.
That's what I meant. Sea bass. Alright. There's one. Oh, God, it's that. Take a picture.
Robin. Bird. Bird. Oh, I am having the birds. Open thy mouth. Open.
Paul, you got a fish. Of course I do, because I'm filming. No, I'm gonna grab it.
Oh, look at the color of their eye. You know, I never noticed that.
Can you see it?
It's pretty cool.
That is gorgeous.
Good job. Hurry up. I got a fish on.
All right, go ahead. Ready?
There you go, right there.
There you go. There we go. Nice. There we go. Oh, double twinnies.
Why did some of it strike and some
Ah,
don't?
variations.
I don't know. How do you determine that?
You have to lift up the skirt.
That's implying both the ways.
Like those nice little 7 or 8 inch ones.
No way.
That's a big robin. Ow, ow, ow. Stop.
Brian with the
Stop.
giant robin. Yes, that is the fish. Let's get a picture of that one.
Whee!
All right, little status update. We are still out on the Sound. We are off of just around the Northport area. Paulie just got a sea robin and almost fell on me. That's pretty funny. Anyway, I gotta put you down.
Give me.
So as I was saying, we've just been banging away at porgies. Nice porgy.
Nice one.
There's a keeper.
Definitely. Dang, look at his head.
Oh, all over my leg.
That's a big fish, dude. I'm getting nervous now. Drop your line, bro.
Nice. Right in the bucket. Little catch and cook. Anyway, we've been chasing porgies around a couple times. We only managed to snag one. Bunker, not porgies. We don't chase the porgies. They're all over the place. Richie did catch a dogfish, and we're catching sea robin. So catching. We're having a blast. And we'll be in before dark, unfortunately. So let's see how the rest of the day goes.
Alright, when we take a picture, make sure you stop the video first.
Where'd the school be?
Look at that, guys. Can you get it all in the video?
Yeah.
That's insane.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh. That's what, a 4-foot shark? switch it back. Keep going?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. That's freaking insane. That's a freaking shark. Wow. Mwah. Look at that head. Look at those eyes. Oh man. That's awesome. Here we go.
He's gonna wig. He's gonna total wig. He's a tail spinner. He's a tail spinner. That's because he's all tied up. All right. You're on the wrong ride. Let me get you untangled, buddy. All right, all right, all right. Don't hook me. You're flipping the hooks around. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Told you. Called that one, didn't I? What are you doing?
Wow. Picture?
Nah. Hey, buddy. Hi.
Dude.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Crap. Ow.
Yep. Take your time, take your time.
Ah. Wow. Wow. This might be a striper.
Are you serious?
There's a gaff in that crate.
No way. Are we gaffing this thing? Dude, what's going through your mind?
He's not budging.
You gotta take that sharp thing,
Yeah, I know. I'll wait till I see him now.
Yeah, he's diving again.
Alright, Richie, I need you to open this.
Okay.
Big shark.
Dude.
Oh, he got you, Paulie. Oh, he got you.
There he goes again.
Oh, we're not gaffing him, huh?
Dude.
He's diving all the way to the bottom.
Dude.
Oh, man. They love that bunker.
Dude, that's freaking awesome. He's not even, you can't even pull him up.
Look at the size of this mother. Oh, he just hit me in the balls.
Oh, man.
Oh, Lord.
Vengeance. my gosh.
Wrecking the joint. Right! I understand the glitch. Ow! Ow!
You might want to just cut the line.
That's great.
Things. We cut the leader to save the fish.
Alright, hold up, bro. Rich, I need you to get back a little. You're ready to release.
Good. Thank you, buddy. Woo!
That was great.
Dude,
Crap.
I think you need a 2-part video.
that was insane.
That was crazy.
Is that your PB shark?
Yeah. Woo!
Cool. Small shark. Ooh, not a small shark.
Get some footage of him swimming. There we go.
You cut through it or?
Huh?
Cut through it or what? Let
No.
go?
He spun his head and got off.
Dude, that's 3 good sharks in
That
a
was,
day.
that was another good fight. Not as good as the other one, but.
Awesome.
All right,
Well, guys, it's been a completely amazing day out here on the water. We're getting ready to head in. We're at sunset now, and I don't have any running lights because I forgot to leave the battery in the boat for them. So we got to get in before the bay constable says, "Hey, where's your running lights?" Anyway, we had a great day with Get Real Bass Fishing, and Richie up front, who's leaving tomorrow to go back to Alaska, and then deployment to Afghanistan in September. Rich, we're going to miss you, but we know you're going to be okay. And guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click like and share, and all those good things. And make sure you check out Paulie's channel, Get Real Bass Fishing, and we'll see you out on the water.